Hey guys, so today we're gonna go review our farm animals. Let's check on Whitey. Set that up. Y'all can see where, but Whitey is up here and he's still a puppy. He's almost adult, but he's still like a teenager. He's a Pyrenees. We're gonna let him out soon and let him guard. Maybe if he calms down a little bit. But he's still a puppy. Alright, we're back out and Billy Bob's trying to knock me over. Alright, so they won't. I tripped on that rock. They won't. Some pettings. Hey, don't you be mean to that baby. That one. Billy Bob loves to be on camera. Thing is, I don't know where Mama is. She's usually out here letting her babies in the mud holes. He is me. Alright, so we're gonna go over here. We might see some more goats and maybe find something out. But I really don't know where the babies are. Look who I found. I don't like us to be close. When I get a better view, I'm gonna show y'all. Well, good thing. She has 6 babies. That's what she does have. They're very cute. I want to see if I can zoom in. Look at them things. They're adorable. They was playing in that mud hole yesterday. Muddy. Let's go see where all the baby goats are. Quick view of them. You can pause and look at them cuties. Are you pregnant? Well, looks like she's pregnant. I feel a sign of a baby goat. Like right there. Update y'all when she might have a baby. Billy Bob's using the camera. I don't think he likes the camera. Maybe. No. They don't want to eat the camera except Billy Bob. Billy Bob's the only one that wants to eat the camera. Billy Bob! Get over here. I don't know if he's going to try to get out the gate. But he usually doesn't, but I'm going to go, guys. That is the end of the farm animals. And look at this place. It's a very sunny day today. And I have some bees and Ogie. I don't know what he's doing. Just does whatever he wants. Well, that's the end of the video. If you like farm animals, make sure to like and subscribe.